If YouTube keeps eating up your time every night but you don't want to delete it, I get it. But these 5 changes helped me get a medical degree, become a full-time doctor and build a personal brand in my evenings. I changed YouTube from a distraction to a productivity tool. Here's how. Let's be honest, YouTube is incredible. It can teach you new skills, help you grow a business, or change your mindset. But for most people, especially when you're trying to start a business with the limited time you have after 9 to 5, YouTube can become a bit of a black hole. You open it to watch just one video and suddenly it's midnight. That used to be me. But I figured out how to make YouTube useful again without deleting the app and without going cold turkey. Here's 5 changes that actually work. Number 1, unsubscribe from the noise. Biggest problem isn't just the algorithm, it's also who you've subscribed to. Go through your list and unsubscribe from anyone who doesn't actually align to your long-term goals. Ask yourself, is it making you feel distracted, guilty, or drained your energy after watching it? If so, then it's not for you. Clean your YouTube house and stop watching videos that don't serve you. Suddenly your recommendations begin to change also. Number 2, use watch later to kill your impulse watches. This is probably the single best habit I've built. When I see a video I want to watch, I click watch later. I can't watch it now, that's just the rule I have. Then when I actually have allocated time to sit down, I watch that video. This means I'm not emotionally reacting to some stimulus or thumbnail, and it actually gives me time to think about, do I actually want to watch this with the limited time I have? Sometimes on my watch later I decide I don't even want to watch it. In this way, with the limited amount of time I have, I'll only be watching videos that are actually good. Number 3, create a learning playlist with purpose. I made a playlist called Level Up. It's only for videos that help me grow my skills, my business, or my mindset. That way when I do go on YouTube, I'm watching with purpose. YouTube becomes less of a slot machine but more of a curated toolbox. If you go in with the mindset that you're doing this to develop your skills, it's a learning process and not out of consumption, then you approach YouTube much differently. Number 4, set YouTube time windows. I used to watch YouTube whenever I wanted to, whenever I felt like it, and usually this is when I was tired or overwhelmed or stressed. This means I was watching it reactively as a way of escape or to distract myself. But now I give myself permission to watch YouTube, but only at certain times. My decision to watch YouTube is based on my intention, not on my emotion or how I feel. For example, I have a window 20 minutes during dinner. It's still relaxing, but I'm not spiraling into a 20-hour binge. Remember, you don't need to delete it, you just need to change your relationship so you're not reacting to emotions, but instead to intentionally use it and create boundaries. Number 5, turn off autoplay and hide distractions. 2 quick settings that changed everything. If you turn off autoplay, it stops that endless continuous loop. It stops dragging you in to the next video. There's more resistance between the next video, and that gives you enough time to actually ask yourself, do I want to watch this, or is it time to do something else? And the second thing I did was to install a browser extension such as Unhook, which hides homepage, sidebar, and comments. All the things designed to hijack your attention. YouTube becomes far less addictive when it stops begging you to click on the next thing. In this way, you're creating a YouTube environment that's not addictive. Number 6, final filter is, does it make you take action? Here's the real test. Before you watch a video, even if it's productive, ask yourself, will this make me take action? Or is it just another video that makes me feel productive? There is a difference between learning and stalling. That one question helped me cut hours of passive watching every week. In summary, you don't need to quit watching YouTube, you just need to stop letting it run the show. Replace consumption with intention. Try even one of these techniques I used today and let me know in the comments which one you're using. Together, while we're building a side hustle or business, let's make YouTube a tool, not a distraction. As always, thanks for watching this video.